Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I had put a story on Instagram about my collection of my gloves, and so this video will be related to that one. So I'll be showing you the gloves which I'm using currently and which I used to use it in the past, and my experience about the gloves. What I feel is when you buy your first gloves, please do proper R&D and then buy. I had a very obsession of gloves. Anytime I used to go to any store and if I used to see gloves, I used to pick it one. So never do it like that. That's a really bad habit, I would say, and you will be wasting a lot of money. So I would rather say pick one or two gloves, which may be your summer and your winter kind of a thing, and then use that gloves until and unless it is completely wore out, or maybe 3 years of time. So I think any riding gears, except jacket and pants and boots, I think you have gloves and helmet. Just keep checking in 3 to 4 years because they tend to wear out a little bit. So this is it. Let's begin the video with the first gloves, and then I'll be explaining about the other gloves. So these are two really basic gloves. These are purchased from a local store when I pick the bike, kind of a thing, or maybe every 6 or 7 months whenever I go to JC Road in Bangalore and I see in any shop, I just pick it up. So these are okay quality. I would not say these are bad because you still see some has protection over here, and even this one has a plasticky protection. If you can see, yeah, and this is somewhat like rubberized material, this one, and this has some texture. So this touch sensor, this touch screen is of no use. It's just dummy. It did not work after 2 or 3 uses. So this, you can see this has like air vents. These are all like road bios gloves, which has all this. I don't know how this air intakes function actually. If you see up very closely, so it should be like reverse, right? I don't know the design. Okay, so these have some plastic material, and these are steel, I think, not stainless steel. It's steel because I seen some rusting. Yeah, you can see these designs, so you can see the difference over here, how the wind will be. I don't know, these are all gimmick, I feel sometimes. So these has some nice rubber protections at top, so you can see. So I think this costed me somewhere around 300 or 400, and this costed me around 700. So these are all basic city gloves. This doesn't survive you long on long ride and all those things, so you need to be very conscious when you're picking up your gloves. I have been randomly picking all the gloves and trying, and so I'll come to the gloves which I'm currently using. I do not want to make this video very long, but if you're liking this video and the content, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, so that you will find all the latest update over there in Instagram also, and then the video will be coming out in YouTube. So this are done. So this goes side. So this gloves, brand like Khomini. Okay, so this gloves, it feels good. I picked this gloves from online store, ags.com. I think they sell intercoms also. They had gloves at that point of time, so I picked it from their end. So this is basically a summer gloves. It really serve purpose. So this is one of the I would say beginner gloves. If anyone wants a very not stylish, not portraying everything out and all those bulks over here which other gloves comes with, all those funda, if you do not want, with good protection, as this has protection over here also, which is really good. This is rubberized material. This is not any steel or anything. It's a rubberized material, so this is a really good safety, and it has this pullover kind of a thing when you put. So this gloves has really worked for me. It comes with a touch screen sensor also, so that's one thing. So this is one gloves which I had been using for almost 6-7 months. Post that I again shifted to another gloves. So let's see the other gloves. So here comes the other gloves which I'm currently using on a day-to-day basis, and these have been really good for me in terms of the fit and finish. Um, these are slightly leatherish finish and a cloth. So I think Solace has the similar kind of design. I don't know whether it comes now or not, but if you see, it's a very basic gloves. It has a touch this one, and it works. It really works good. And apart from that, this is a plastic fibers, I think, and then it has this cool looking designs going around. So it's a good summer gloves, and this costed me around 1,000 rupees, and it fitted me properly, so I picked this one up. Yes, you don't get any protection over here or the palm side, but the quality and the stitching and how it is, the structure, this fitting looks really good, so I picked this gloves. So after struggling a lot, I found this again from Solace, these gloves. These are really superb gloves. So many of the designs will be similar in most of the other brands also. For example, I'll take this gloves, and if you see this gloves also, in this gloves also you'll get in Solace also, and there is one more gloves, this one. So you see, this is from XDI. So this gloves, if you can see properly, this gloves is from XDI, and if you notice this design with slight variations, you will get in many other brands. You will get in BVG also, I think you will get in many other brands. So can just see before buying this. I will come to this one also. Let's keep this aside and now come to this one. This is a really good gloves. People who feels very fragile with their finger, their little finger, and if they feel that it is always like a bigger, the gloves is more bigger and all those things, they can try this gloves. This is really good gloves, and get really good protection also over here and over here, which is really good. Apart from that, this is a leather finish, semi leather finish gloves, so you have a very good resistance. So here is one more ventilation channel, I think, so for breathable purpose from here it goes, and from here also. So this much nicer. So this you can use it in both summer and winter. Winter, again, if you are using this kind of gloves and it is very cold over there, then you may put surgical gloves or any plastic gloves inside, and you can use this one. This it's just an hack from my end, nothing compulsory. This comes with this kind of tag, which you can so you can see, you can combine over here, so it will become like one kind of pair kind of a thing, and you can slide it in your tank bag or your backpack, something like that, so you do not miss your gloves, one pair and other pair. These protections are very nice. These are good material. It feels when you touch the gloves. This costed me around 2,000 change, I think. This costed me. I picked this one up from Gear and Ride, so you may go there. They have, yeah, Gear and Ride has a very good variety of gloves. You can go and check it out over there also. They're really good. And coming back to the more advanced version of gloves and more expensive gloves which I have in my lot is this one. Yes, this one is almost been 3 years I have picked this one up. This is really good. Usually when we have a track day or anything like that, I use these gloves. These are really good quality gloves, a very well made gloves, I would say. It's leather and a stretchable material kind of a thing completely. So it has all sort of protections. You can see they have protection over here, you have protection over here. So these are all good quality protection over here. Nice material, and it has a double stretch, velcro double, so one locks first and then the other one locks up. Then you have protection over here, you have protection over here, and leather is always a good resistant of when you slide or when you go down harder. So it's a good resistant material, they say. So yeah, this is almost made by leather, and it's from a brand called XDI. This costed me somewhere around 3,700 when I picked it up from a store. And yeah, this have survived a lot. Well, I have not crashed in this one, but yeah, maintained it. You need to really maintain the gloves and the riding gears and the helmets and the boots, whichever you take, no matter what.